As if derivatives didn't already confuse you enough, now we're going to introduce something called partial derivatives. And it's actually very, very similar. The only difference is that we have another variable in the function, or maybe multiple variables. So now we're dealing with the function that looks something like f of x, y. Or as we'll see shortly, maybe f of beta naught and beta 1. This is why we need this, is because there's more than one variable in the function here. Okay, so if we're dealing with f of x, y is whatever. Maybe it's something, maybe it's like 3xy squared, okay? So then you might have kept hearing me saying and trying to say the derivative with respect to x. I could take this function with respect to x or y. That means if I take it with respect to x, that means what is the derivative of the function with respect to x holding y constant. So if I don't touch y, what happens if I tweak x? What happens to the function if I tweak x? Okay, so if I did, and you write it as this, it kind of looks like a 2, which is really annoying. It's a partial symbol. So I'm saying to just, and it means the same thing as a derivative. It's a partial specifying that there's more than one variable you could have taken the derivative with respect to. But I'm taking f, or you could write it explicitly as f of x, y with respect to x. Okay, well that's important to know because it means I hold y constant. Okay, so I'm just treating it as that c thing. Okay, you could really replace it as c. And so it's just, okay, well I could move that in front. And so really it's the derivative of 3y squared x. And so if this 3y squared, well, if y is a constant, then y squared is still a constant. And so the constant rule still applies. This is quite simply 3y squared times d by dx of x, which we know is just 1. And so this is equal to 3y squared. Meaning that if we tweak x just a little bit, then we have the change with respect to x as 3y squared. Okay, so if you tweak x just a tiny little bit, your function is going to increase by 3y squared, okay, whatever y is. So it doesn't matter if you totally don't understand that, or if you don't totally understand that, it doesn't really matter. I'm not going to get into the graphs behind this kind of stuff. It gets really complicated. You just need to know how, basically it means that if you hold the other variables constant, if this was also f of x, y, and z, if you hold y and z constant, you're taking the derivative with respect to x. It's saying, holding those constant, what happens to my function if I tweak this particular variable? Okay, so I could also do partial f of xy with respect to y, so partial y, that is equal to, well now x is a constant, so it's just partial, I'll say 3x partial by partial y of y squared, okay? I could move that x out because it's a constant, and so this is quite simply 3x times 2, which is, or 2y, sorry, which is equal to 6xy. Okay, so you'll notice that it is a function of both x and y. That makes sense. All right, that's really all we need to know about partial derivatives. Again, not going to get into the theory behind it at all. I will see you in the next video when we actually get to use this stuff.